is okay, Chimadikoma. In today's video, I want to show you how I started making profit from my soap business. But I'm going to ask you a question. Do you really make profit from that soap business? You answer me. Just be honest with yourself. Do you make profit in your soap business? Especially with the way the cost of raw material has so skyrocketed. And I want to ask you sincerely, do you make profit in your business? I'm going to share a little bit of my story with you. I started making soap in 2012. As at that time, I still had my 9 to 5. So after making soap, I would sell to my family, to my friends, to my church members, to my co-workers, and they were all liking my soap. And I decided it is time to take this business full time because I saw soap as one product that people use in their homes every day. So I saw the huge market and the huge demand for soap. So in 2014, I resigned and I registered the business and I decided to start this business. But I produced my soap. I took it to the market, Sabo market in Lagos, in Ikorodu, Lagos to be precise. I kept introducing it to the market women there for them to start buying from me. But I was really disappointed. I'll tell you what happened. When I got there, after producing my soap, I packed my soap by 40. It was naked at the time. I packed it by 40 in a customized carton and I took sample to the market with the hope to sell my soap at that time. I added just a margin of 100 naira per carton. You can imagine. But why did I do that? Then my calculation was reduce your price, penetrate the market with a reduced price, and by the time the product is well known, then you can increase price. And also, if you reduce your price, you'll be able to sell volume, and then you'll be able to make more profit because it's a fast-moving consumer good. So with little profit, but yet if you sell volume, you make more profit. But when I got to market, I was really disappointed because the women at the market, they were ready to sell their own soap back to me for the same price that I was wanted to sell to them. Are you surprised? Yes. So what now when I started wondering, well, what is the secret? There must be a secret that I don't know. For these women to be ready to even sell my soap, but I think as that cost of production was 1,200 per carton of 40 pieces of soap. So I was willing to sell to them at 1,300. But they were ready to sell to me too. They said, "Mother, if you want buy, I will sell for you too for 1,003." And I was like, what is the secret? But luckily for me, a particular woman said, "I'm going to help you. I have a customer that supplies me. He'll be coming around very soon. When he gets here, I'm going to introduce you to him as my sister, and I'll plead with him to help you." And luckily, as she said, the man came around and he showed the man my soap, told the man that I'm her sister, and pleaded with the man to please him that, yes, my bars of soap were good, but my cost of production was high, meaning I cannot even sell at market because there's no way they will buy. They will not see a cheaper soap of same quality and then leave it and come and buy. After they were in the business to make profit also. So the man agreed to teach me. But as at that time, he said he was going to charge me the cost of a drum of PKO. You can imagine. As at that time, 2014, a drum of PKO was just about 35,000 naira. And he said, I'm going to pay him the fact that he's going to show me, that is a secret he will show me. And I'm like, I pleaded with him, telling him that I don't have such an amount of money right now. But with the woman's influence, he collected 25,000 naira for me at the time. And he took me to his factory. He showed me, he produced, and I saw what he did. And I left him, came back to my factory, produced using the same method. And the result was massive. The same word one of my students used after I taught her this method. My cost of production was crashed by almost 50%. And I was glad, I was happy. So I was able to make my soap, took my soap to the same market. I was able to sell to the women at a reduced price, and they bought from me, and they were happy. I was happy. It was a win-win situation. So I agreed that for every business, there is a secret. And until you know that secret in that business, you will just be going around the circle. And when you're tired, you just leave the market. You just leave the market. And that is why this weekend, I have decided to hold a training, a WhatsApp training for just 20 persons that are willing to change the narrative in their soap business. They'll be honest with themselves and take a decision that they want to change the narrative. So this weekend, I'll be conducting a 3-day training where I'll be teaching you how to produce soap, not just with this method, but with other 2 methods of soap making. So I'll be teaching you how to produce soap using the cold method, the hot method, and then the semi-hot method. It is a 3-day training. It will be coming up on Saturday, the 3rd of June, on Sunday, the 4th of June, and then on Monday, the 5th of June. You'll be taking one method per day for 3 days, and it is just for 20 persons. Another thing I love this method so much is that if I needed to rebatch my soap, I don't need to apply any form of external heat. No extra cost of kerosene, no extra cost of gas, no extra cost of firewood. So I will just rebadge my soap without any form of heat at all. Is that not surprising? Yes, it is. In fact, I have even done a video on how to rebadge your soap using this method. I will link it somewhere in this video so you can watch that video and see what I'm talking about. And I have also done a video using this method. I was able to produce soap using just 500 ml of palm kernel oil, just half liter of palm kernel oil. I was able to get about 9 bars of soap, and a bar of that soap weigh like 140 grams, and I got 9 bars using just 500 ml of palm kernel oil. And you know what? I don't even need to add any foaming booster to this soap, and my soap lathers like something else. You will just need to try it to attest to it. So if you know you want to join me in this training, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. Of just click the link, make your payment, and you'll be taken to the class directly. Or if you know you don't want to use the link, just send me a message on WhatsApp saying I am interested in the training, and I'll give you details of my bank so that you can make your direct transfer. Remember, it is just for 20 persons. It is just for 20 persons. And for the first 10 persons that'll make payment, I'm going to give you my ebook for free as your fast action bonus. In this ebook, I took you through the step-by-step approach to producing 9 different household products. You will learn how to make liquid detergent, how to make bath using the cold method, how to make insecticide, how to make air freshener, how to make 9 different products. So I'm going to be giving it to you for free. I'll give you the soft copy for free if you're among the first 10 persons to make payment. If I'm going to teach you this course in my one-on-one class, you will not pay anything less than 10,000 unless I try to have pity on you. In fact, the course is hosted on Seller. It is for 10,000 naira. But for this 20% this weekend, I'm going to be giving you 50% discount. So for just 5,000 naira, you'll be learning how to make soap using the cold method, the hot method, and then my banger method, the semi-hot method. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, click the link in the description of this video and make your payment, and I'll see you in class. Or send me a WhatsApp message saying I am interested, and I'll send you details of how you can make transfers, and then you'll be added to the group. Thank you. I hope to see you in class because I love you and I want you to start making profit in your soap business. Thank you.